Some people tell that I am boring, always talking about powerful nature. Well, I do, because I believe it's one of the most important activities in life for health. Yes, people believe that chemicals, which are called pills, have cure healing power. No, they don't have. They never cured, never healed anyone. But what does is your body heals itself if it has enough strong energy, strong power, which means immune system, your muscles, electricity in the body, and also your psyche. It cannot function properly. Your psyche, your body will never function properly if it lacks nature. If you don't go to nature, spend time there, move there, sleep there, forget about health. Maybe you will feel healthy sometimes, but sooner or later you will feel the degenerating process. This degenerating process is called aging, and illnesses, diseases coming. Why? Because not enough nature. So remember, without nature there is no psychic and body health.